What's up, guys? Welcome to this channel once again. Today we'll be looking at the three main points in every trade. I'll be showing you the three main points all the professional traders uses, which prevent them from blowing their accounts and also manages their emotions. If you're able to manage these three main points, definitely you have no problem with your emotions and blowing your accounts. But before I continue, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and if you have anything, you can let me know in the comment section below. So let's get started. I'll show you the 3 points that every professional trader uses in their trade. So let's look at this. Let me use this currency pair to set an example. We'll be using the Great British Pounds versus the Japanese Yen to set an example. We are on the chart, the 4-hour chart. This is the 4-hour time frame chart. You can switch it to any time frame you want. 30 minutes. Yeah. So currently we're on the 30 minutes time frame chart. Now, the 3 main points that all the professional trader uses are the stop loss, take profit, and entry. All the trade that they use, they all have take profit, stop loss, and entry. There's no trade that you open without these 3 main points. You can leave the 2, the stop loss and take profit. That is by leaving your trade naked, and it is not good. You can blow your account no matter what. So let me draw a line indicating an example of what it means. So let's say this is the chart. Yeah. So now let's say these are the 3 points. So this will be our stop loss. That is in the sell position. If in case you want to sell, this will be our stop loss SL. Then we're entering E. Then our take profit TP. So this is just the 3 main points I've drawn for you. In case you want to sell this currency pair, Great British Pounds versus the Japanese Yen. So our stop loss will be above the entering. That's in the case of sell position, that is short. And then the take profit will be below the entry. So basically that's what it is. Yeah. So now that I've represented these fundamental 3 points on the chart, let's see how you can open a position with them. So let me just use arrow to indicate that. TP, take profit. E for entering, SL for stop loss. So now let's sell this currency pair. So click on sell down here. So just click on sell. This is our loss side, 0.2. Yeah, before I continue, I'm using EXNESS broker. In case you're not using EXNESS, I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can sign up and enjoy the amazing features. EXNESS is one of the best brokers out there, and it's one of the brokers most professional traders use. It has a lot of features: instant withdrawal, instant deposit, tight spread, a lot. So I'll leave a link in the description below and features of the broker so that you can read it, and in case it's favorite, you can sign up. But if you're not using EXNESS, you are missing a lot, seriously, because EXNESS is one of the best brokers out there with more features and amazing features for you. So don't forget to check in the description below and sign up. So now let's look at the take profit. We are selling, so the take profit should be below the entering. Here's our entering price. So as our take profits to be less than 162.849. So let's just make it 162. That's about 85 pips. Now let's make it this the stop loss. The stop loss to be above the entry. That is in the case of sell position. So it should be more than this. The stop loss should be greater than this. So that should be 163. Let's just put there 16. No, let's make it 164. That's about 114 pips. So now this is our take profit. 162. And this is our stop loss. SL. 164. And this is our entry market order, which is this. So the market order is the current price, the price at which the currency pairs at the moment you want to open the position. But you can start selling at any position you want. So you can switch that to the sell limit. Sell limit. So this play, you determine the price at which you want to start selling. So let's say you want to start selling at 163. 163. So you want when the price of the Great British Pounds versus Japanese Yens move to 163, it should start selling for you. These are now our main 3 points in the position that we want to open. The entering price, take profit, and then stop loss. SL, TP, then entry. So these are now our main 3 points for this trade. So confirm the sell. So our order has been placed. Let's go back to our, as you can see, the order has been placed and it is waiting for execution. So let me indicate, demonstrate in the case of buy. Yeah. So now let's say you want to buy this currency pair. Let's say the time frame to 15 minutes. Yeah. We are on a 15 minutes time frame for Euro USDT. So our 3 main points will be, don't forget, this one we are buying. So this one will be our stop loss. This will be our entering price. And this will be our take profit. This will be our take profit. In the case of buy, the take profit is above the entering and the stop loss is below the entering. But in the case of sell, that should be the vice versa. The stop loss is above the entering and the take profit is below the entering. So now let's see how we can open. Let's open a position with this. So click on buy. Now our stop loss will be 0.5. Our take profit should be less than this. The current market price should be higher than this. So we want it to be 1. Then our stop loss will be 0.9600. Yeah. So our stop loss is about 98 pips. Then our take profit is about 302 pips. Now our entering. So let's determine our entering. Let's make our entering to be if you rise to 700. Yeah. So now this is our stop loss, take profit, and then entry. So we are done with the 3 main points for this trade too. So basically, these are the 3 points that professional traders use, and this is what they use the stop loss to control their emotions. Let's say I have about $6,551 in my account, as you can see. So now, let's say I'm opening this position with this setup. So I'm ready to lose about $500, and it is cool with me. So if I open this position, no matter what, even if it is in a loss of $200, but I don't have a problem because my target is to lose 100 pips, $100. Oh, sorry, $500 rather. So if I agree to lose $500, no matter what is going against me in the trade, but I have no problem because I made up my mind that I want to lose $500 in this trade. Then my take profit too is $1,500. So even it is in a profit of $1 or $400, but I know my target is 1,500. So I'll be patient enough to wait for my take profit to hit. So basically, these are the 3 main points the professional traders use. So guys, thanks for watching. But in case you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have anything, you can let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Hit the like button. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my